In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Autodesk Desktop app. We're going to use your web browser's built-in install feature to turn the Autodesk site into a clean, app-like window that's quick to open and easy to keep on your desktop or taskbar. Start by opening Autodesk. Launch your preferred web browser and head to the Autodesk website or your Autodesk account page. Give the page a moment to fully load so your browser recognizes it properly. If you use multiple Autodesk pages, open the one you plan to use most often. This helps the installed app open exactly where you want it. Now, look to the very top right corner of your browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is the main browser menu that holds options for tools, settings, and page actions. If you don't see it at first, maximize your window or hover near the top edge so the toolbar becomes visible. From that menu, select Cast, Save, and Share. In many modern browsers, this is where you'll find actions related to printing, saving, and installing web apps. The wording may look slightly different depending on your browser version, but it will appear in this area of the menu and group related options together. Within that section, click Install Page as App. This tells your browser to create a standalone window for Autodesk without the usual address bar and tabs. You may see a brief prompt allowing you to confirm the name of the app, or choose whether to create a desktop or taskbar shortcut. Keep the default name if it's clear to you, then confirm to proceed. After a moment, Autodesk will open in its own focused window, just like a native application. A few quick tips to make the most of it. Pin the new app to your taskbar or dock the first time it launches so it's always one click away. If you don't immediately see the Install Page as App option, refresh the page. Make sure you're on an Autodesk page that supports installation, and confirm your browser is up to date. Some sites enable this feature only after the page fully loads or after you sign in. That's all there is to it. You opened Autodesk, used the three-dot menu in the top right, went to Cast, Save, and Share, and selected Install Page as App. Enjoy the cleaner workspace, faster access, and a distraction-free window tailored for your Autodesk work.